The sun is pretty special. It made everything around us possible, and there is incredible value to be made by tapping into its vast amounts of energy through solar panels. But a lot of folks we know either don't have large shade-free roof space, or they live as tenants who can't install panels on their roofs, making solar elusive to them. So we created a new way to save up on your power bill without all the hassles that come with adding panels on rooftops. With SundayGrids, you can now reserve solar over the internet from any of our projects across India. For every unit of power produced from your reserved solar, you receive credits in your account which can be used to lower your bill. The more solar you reserve, the more monthly credits you get. We call this approach digital solar, an idea that redefines how solar can be accessed. So now, you can help your community and the planet a little bit more by generating clean energy all at the tap of a button.